ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hello, this is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday morning, the 26th of February. And you're not going to see me on camera this morning because we are running on battery power here. I'm in the dark. The computer's okay, but no lights, and probably it's best that you not see me at this hour of the day. So let's go to some Skycam shots early this morning. There's a look at our downtown Birmingham camera. Storms are gone as of 5 o'clock. They blew through during the pre-dawn hours between midnight and 4 o'clock, and they were a quick in and quick out. Looks like rain between about 1/4 and 1/2 inches going to be the story. There's our 280 camera on the Wingate Inn looking down over the parking lot there. And from Tuscaloosa, we're looking off to the east from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. There's a water vapor satellite imagery this morning. You can see how the trough is swinging on through with the storms flaring all the way from South Mississippi up into Tennessee and Kentucky. And yep, it's going to turn cold behind the rain and storms. Temperatures early this morning are in the 50s over North Alabama and 60s down south. They're going to fall today. In fact, as I do this update at 5 o'clock, we're actually in the 40s. I think 44 is what's showing up now. So we have dropped in there now and we'll stay there all day. There's the band of showers and storms. You can see that new watch over East Alabama and much of central Georgia. Storms as of about 5 o'clock, they're running from roughly Atlanta down to about Clanton and Demopolis. And the rain has ended over much of North Alabama, and again, the rain is going to move out pretty quickly this morning, and cold is the story behind that. The convective outlook for the rest of today is slight risk over South Alabama, South Georgia, much of Florida. And on the QPF map, this is the expected rain valid through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock. And really, almost all of that is going to be the rain that came down early this morning, which is in this period. Now, the Friday night deal, the GFS has really backed off of that. We'll still mention a chance of showers Friday night, but as you'll see here, it doesn't look that impressive on the latest run. This is the 06Z GFS valid at noon today. There's your trough, long wave trough phasing up over the east at the surface. The deepening surface low is moving up toward Washington, D.C., the showers and storms moving out. Cold air moving in today. It will be windy and cold. We'll hover in the 40s all day. Tomorrow, that long wave trough deepens over the east. A vortex will be rotating through there. And there's the surface chart tomorrow. You do wonder if we could see some snow flurries tonight or tomorrow morning. You just wonder. And windy and cold with maybe some clouds lingering over the Tennessee Valley. We've got the sky becoming mostly sunny. But again, sometimes those clouds with a deal like that are awfully stubborn. But we'll stick with an optimistic forecast for tomorrow. But it's still going to be cold. Highs only in the 40s. Thursday, the cold morning will give way to a warmer afternoon. There should be a sunny day with a high up in the 50s. Now, Friday, we've got that trough rotating through the Great Lakes way north of here. And at the surface low is over the UP of Michigan. And there's your trailing front with a little band of showers down into Tennessee at midday Friday. And then at midnight Friday night, you can see that band of showers moving into Alabama, and it sure doesn't look very impressive. And with the upper air support kind of lifting out, you wonder if that thing might stall out now. In fact, that's really what the model is suggesting on Saturday. It's got the thing just kind of dying out over North Alabama, and that might mean we might have to include the chance of a shower during the day Saturday. It should not be a big rain event one way or the other. But understand that's going to be something to think about. And then for Sunday, that looks dry, although the Gulf of Mexico is open there. And really the next major deal is this thing early next week. There's a look at Monday. Big trough off to the west at the surface. Got a strong cold front knocking on the door. And that would be coming in here Monday night. And then look at that. Got a bowling ball setting up down through here on Tuesday. You know, yesterday morning that thing went away. Well, it's back. And boy, look at the surface reflection with that. That's looks like a 900. Gosh, I can't even see how deep that surface low is. I'm sitting in the dark here. That's a deep surface low, one way or the other, north of Nashville. And with that cold core upper low, just weird things can happen. But that would suggest maybe a severe weather deal, then a chance of some snow on the backside of that. That'll be a really interesting system to watch in coming days. And then the next day, the thing lifts out. That's Wednesday of next week, the 5th of March. And quickly, we'll peek at the end of the forecast period. This is the 12th, and it doesn't make a lot of sense to get specific out here. That just shows kind of a southwesterly flow aloft. And again, that looks a lot like spring right there. So the very active and changeable pattern continues. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. And again, you're not going to see me because I'm in the dark. We'll have the next one on here by 3:30 today when I'm back at the weather office at the station. Check the blog for the latest on the storms ongoing this morning, alabamawx.com. And we'll see you later this afternoon. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.